Uh-huh. Today's January 15th? Yeah? You sure are talking a lot. What are you trying to tell Mommy? You want to get on that car? Uh-huh. Look, he's trying to get in. Nope. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What are you trying to say, huh? It's bath time and time for bed, actually. You're going to have your own car one day? Yeah, you're going to have to pay for it. Uh-huh. Yeah. You want a Beamer like Daddy? Yeah? Yeah. With all the toys in it? Like this car has toys, huh? What else? What else? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You're examining the car. Yeah. Gotta make sure it's good and it looks good for all the girls. Oh, you're making that sound again. That's so funny. Yeah. Sounds like a motor. Uh-huh. Is it off? Oh, it is off. There you go. Oh, I think it's running out of batteries. Yeah. Oh, yummy. Does it taste good? Mm-hmm. Hey, I want to see your face when you make that sound. It's so funny. Oh, don't even think about getting in Baxter's water. Uh-oh.